Hey gamers, we're on the FZ09. Wow, it's been a while since I've made a video on this because I've been riding it every day to work and school. I've just been riding it so much, you know, I didn't want to take it out just to make a video on it because, you know, I've been riding... How do I say this? I didn't want to take it out on a joyride because I've been riding it so much. That's dangerous. That's going to fall on someone. 2 men in a truck. 2 men in a hot tub 5 feet apart because they're not gay. Gotta stand up going over all this. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Oh damn, this bike is just so much fun to ride. Oh my gosh, it's you, it's you! Wonder who that weird man was. The stop line's back there. You overshot it a little. Just a little though. I'll forgive you. Doesn't pick up the front wheel as easily when it's in B mode, but that's a good thing. I just changed the spark plugs and the clutch cable because the clutch cable was fraying really bad, hanging on by like 3 wires. I'm at 10,000 miles now. Woo! Not that hard at all, really. One of those things where once you do it one time, then it's easy the other time you do it. Hello, now it looks like we're going back home. Here I was thinking I'll take a quick little shortcut through a neighborhood. Nope. Nope, nope. Can't ever have nice things. While doing, what am I talking about? One thing I found out while doing spark plugs and changing out the cable for the clutch's cable, I found out that I don't have any ABS in the front. The ABS wires are blocked off, so that's pretty cool. So now I'll definitely keep that in mind when I'm screeching to a halt. Now, well, would you look at this? What in the balls? Someone cut it? That looks cut. How heavy is it? I can deadlift it. It's not that heavy at all. Oh, I'll move on. It was already broken. Oh, I figured out how to make it pop. So that's what you do. You get up there in RPMs, you lay off a little bit, and then it pops. I don't know how well you can hear the pops, but I popped at that little kid back there, and she's like, ha! Sounds so good. I love this bike, and oh, hey little bro. I love this bike, and everything on it, like, came with it when I bought it. It came with the full exhaust, it was tuned, it has steel braided brake lines, and obviously the ABS on front and rear was disabled. Have an aftermarket air filter. What else is there? Oh yeah, turn signals, tail tidy, windshield. Everything on it came from, well, that's how I bought it. I just put a seat on it, so I guess not everything. But it's just like, it's just the perfect bike out of the box. And I'm so happy to have it, and I hopefully will never sell it. More pops, more pops, more pops. That wasn't a pop. It only does it like in second gear. I don't know, man. Keep the front wheel down? I'm trying, sir. He just won't let me. Oh, yeah. 2 gunshots! That was a weird laugh. I don't know why I did that. Whichever way he's going, I'm not. It's gonna be straight. It's gonna be straight. That's so much fun, because I like doing this. Toodles.